So we got the value of AST. So just check with AST minimum. Just check with AST minimum. Okay, what is the equation of AST minimum? 0.35% B into thickness by 2. So just check with that. Okay, so I think it will be less than AST required. So now let us select a suitable diameter. What is the steel? Total AST कितना था? Anyone? Give me the value of total AST. Okay. Okay, that is for thickness more than 200, right? Okay, so just calculate 0.35% into B into thickness. How much is that? Yes, AST minimum, anyone? $770. Okay, no problem. So which is less than AST required. So now for the steel, that is 2525. Let us select the suitable diameter and find out the spacing. So what diameter we will select? Anyone? 20. Okay, so steel is more, right? So let us select 25 mm diameter. Yes, correct. So let us assume 25 mm diameter and find out the spacing. What is the spacing? Using 25 mm diameter bars. कितना आ रहा है? 194. ठीक है, 194 कितना प्रोवाइड करना है? Yes. Anyone?
200.
200. How will you provide 200 OJs when the spacing is coming out to be
Sorry,
194?
sorry, 175.
ठीक है, less than that we have to provide. So either you can provide 180, 185, 190 or 175. So let us provide 175. ठीक है, उससे कम कितना भी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो. So let us provide 25 tor at 175 center to center as horizontal reinforcement at the support. Now similarly find out at the mid span. At the mid span, AST1 and AST2. ठीक है, are you selecting the proper moment and टेंशन, ठीक है, चेक करो जो मिड स्पैन पे जो मोमेंट आया था वो लेना है, और टेंशन, ठीक है। सो डू इट केयरफुली. So I want all of you to solve and give me the values, because if one of you makes mistakes, the others can correct. Because I don't have the answers with me, you have to give me the values. AST1 1424. Okay. AST1 is 1424. Others, just check. AST2. Okay. So total AST is around 1900 or 2000. Okay. So now what diameter you will select for this total AST? So now let us assume suitable diameter and find out the spacing. कितना assume करना है diameter? Yes. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so this is AST is coming out to be around 2000, right? 1400 and 500. So कितना diameter assume करेंगे?
So 16.
16 बहुत कम हो जाएगा ना. Let us assume 20 mm diameter. So find out the spacing by assuming 20 mm diameter. One 59.5. ठीक है, so let us provide 150. So now here let us provide 20 torr at 150 mm center to center. Okay, I hope every other is also getting the same value, 159. Now let us find out the reinforcement in the long wall. So again, find out AST1, AST2. Find out AST1 and AST2 quickly. Yes, what is the value of AST? Anyone? For the long wall, AST1 is 2564. Yes, others, just give me the confirmation. Okay, same values getting others also. So total steel is how much? Around 3000. Select a suitable diameter and find out the spacing. Yes, what is the spacing? So again, let us select 25 diameter. Find out the spacing. 25 के लिए कितना आ रहा है spacing? 25 160 आ रहा है. So let us provide 150. Now again find out at the mid span. I hope everyone is taking the values correctly of the moment and tension. Again find out AST1 and AST2 at the mid span. Yes, who is this? Qureshi Faisal. Why are you posting attendance in the middle of the session? Yes, is this the time to join the lecture? Qureshi Faisal. Am I audible? Why have you joined so late? Yes. Are you solving the numerical? Qureshi Faisal. Yes or no? Yes. So give me the value of the spacing. Spacing we got. Okay, at the mid span, give me the value of AST1 and AST2. Yes, give me the values of AST1 and 2 quickly. We have to complete this numerical.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is the rectangular water tank designed by approximate method. So once we finish this, after that we will start with the IS code method. Yes, give me the values quickly. AST1, AST2. Why it is taking so much time? $1869 and $486. Others, just check. So now again select a suitable diameter and find out the spacing. Total steel is how much? Around 2200. Okay, so you can assume 20 mm and find out the spacing. So assume 20 mm diameter bar and find out the spacing. 133. So let us provide 125. So provide 20 torr at 125 center to center at the midspan. Okay. So now let us design the bottom 1 meter as vertical cantilever. Okay, so quickly give me the values of the moment and the steel. ठीक है, मोमेंट कितना आ रहा है और स्टील कितना आ रहा है. ठीक है, so if the moment is very less then you can provide the minimum steel. So in this case we have calculated, but AST minimum was the governing steel, so you can provide the minimum steel. Yes, what is the moment and steel? Anyone? Yes, what is the moment? Write in the chat box. Okay. Okay, so minimum steel will be governing. So provide the minimum steel. I think 700 something is the minimum steel. So you can use 12 diameter and find out the spacing. Anyone got the spacing? So use 12 diameter for minimum steel and provide the necessary spacing. Yes, all of you done with this? Okay, so now let us move on to the next step. Okay, what is the next step after this? Anyone? Okay, after this we have to check for stresses. Okay, very important. This is the most important step. Check for stresses, and then after that we can design the base slab. Okay. So now let us move on to the next step. Okay, so all of you quickly perform this check now. We have last 9 minutes remaining. So quickly perform this check and let us complete this problem. So what is the value of T here? For M25, this will remain the same. Okay, 1.3 and sigma CT will be 1.8 for M25. And what is the maximum tension in your case in the current numerical which we are doing? Just check and give me the value of the maximum tension available. 70.8. Okay, so this is 70.8 and the corresponding moment. ठीक है, for this corresponding moment कितना है? Yes, am I audible? Please give me the values quickly. And what is the corresponding AST? ठीक है, for maximum tension or corresponding moment is 44. ठीक है, इसके लिए corresponding steel कितना प्रोवाइड किया था? चेक करो. What was the corresponding steel provided? Yes. How much we have provided for this? 25 torr at, I think 25 torr, right? 25 at 175, ठीक है. तो AST provided कितना आ रहा है? टू 2805. Okay. ठीक है. So now quickly give me these values. So T dash कितना आ रहा है? Find out T dash and then find out sigma CT dash and then find out X. Yes, again, who told you to post the attendance? There is no need to post again at the end of the session. Starting में किया, that is more than enough. Yes, anyone got the value of T dash? Point 285. Okay. And what is the value of X? Yes, give me the value of X. Okay, so perform this check and let me know whether you're getting it safe or not.